Think about everything we take for granted today. Our smartphones, our transport, the way we create art, and even the laws of physics as we know them. What if I told you that this week, our entire understanding of reality just took a massive leap forward? We are talking about particles that can think, bees that are teaching robots how to fly. Science is moving faster than ever. So let's grab a coffee, sit back, and look at how our science community just rewritten the future. If you missed it this week, our tech world has been desperately hunting for the next big thing beyond traditional silicon chips. And honestly, we might have just solved this. Our physics community managed to create hybrid light-matter particles that actually interact strongly enough to compute. Imagine light and matter shaking hands and deciding to process data together. This is a game changer because light moves fast, but it usually ignores other light. By forcing them to interact, we're looking at the birth of ultra-fast, energy-efficient optical computing. Speaking of computing, I love how we dream of sci-fi supercomputers, but we still struggle with basic quantum stability. Well, things just got real. We finally achieved two-qubit logic and quantum teleportation using mobile spin qubits right inside silicon. If you want to know why this matters for your future, think about unbreakable data security. We aren't just moving data anymore, we're literally teleporting quantum information across silicon chips using the natural spin of electrons. It's funny how we spend billions on quantum chips, but nature still outsmarts us with a brain the size of a pinhead. Seriously, our biology and robotics teams just developed a highly efficient navigation system entirely inspired by honeybee learning flights. If you ever wondered how drone deliveries will work without crashing into your house, this is your answer. Instead of using heavy, power-hungry GPS systems, robots can now mimic how bees look back at their hive to map their surroundings. It's elegant, it's simple, and it uses almost zero battery. Be honest, would you prefer a drone flying with GPS or one that thinks like a honeybee? Let me know in the comments. I guess our robotic bees will need a ride if we ever take them to other planets. Luckily, Europe is finally stepping up its game in the modern space race. We just got a clear look at Europe's answer to Starship, a massive, fully reusable heavy-lift rocket design aimed at completely changing space exploration. Let's be real, watching boosters land themselves never gets old, but this is about true cosmic independence for European science. We are talking about lifting massive payloads to orbit without burning a hole in the budget every single time. While we look up at the stars, our planet still hides secrets from our darkest historical moments. Get this, exactly 80 years after the famous Trinity nuclear test, our scientists identified a brand new molecule-trapping crystal formed in the extreme heat of that atomic test. It turns out that the intense pressure, it literally forced materials together in a way we've never seen in nature. This isn't just a historical curiosity. Understanding how these unique crystals trap dangerous molecules could help us design completely new ways to clean up nuclear waste today. Now, let's take a shift from the chaos of laboratory science straight into the intentional chaos of an art canvas. You might think abstract art is just random paint splatters, but our mathematics community just revealed a hidden golden rule inside abstract masterpieces. By using advanced mathematical analysis, we discovered that human artists unconsciously follow deep geometric patterns, even when they think they're being completely random. It turns out our brains are hardwired for structure, beauty, and balance, even when we try to break all the rules. It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. From the invisible spin of an electron in a silicon chip to the flight of a honeybee, all the way to the unconscious patterns on an art canvas, everything is connected by this beautiful underlying code. Science isn't just about cold facts and dusty textbooks. It's a living, breathing map of our reality, and it makes our world a much more exciting place to wake up to every single day. If you enjoy uncovering these hidden codes of our reality with us, consider subscribing. We're out here constantly exploring. See you in the next one, and as always, stay fresh.